Let's move on. BJP's firebrand and Union Minister Smriti Irani has filed her nomination from the crucial Amethi seat today. Before filing the nomination papers, she held a mega roadshow where she was accompanied by Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, her husband Zubin Irani and several UP BJP leaders. Smriti Irani, remember, had won the seat back in 2019, which was considered to be a Gandhi stronghold after defeating Rahul Gandhi. While Smriti has filed her nomination from Amethi, Congress is yet to decide its pick. As the suspense over Congress's candidate from the crucial seat continues, Smriti has lashed out at the Congress party over its indecision and confusion. Speaking exclusively with Times Network, BJP's fiery leader said that the Gandhis have been ousted from the seat and they will never return. Listen in.
और जनता ने 2019 में जब मुझे मौका दिया तो 5 वर्षों में, और आपको याद दिला दूं कि 2 वर्ष कोरोना के बीते थे, 5 वर्षों में नरेंद्र भाई के दिशा निर्देश में हमने 1,14,000 घर बनते देखे अमेठी में, 4 लाख घरों में शौचालय बनते देखे, 3,50,000 घरों में हमने नलके देखे। लेकिन ये क्षेत्र वो है जिसने 50 साल गांधी परिवार का राज देखा। इस क्षेत्र के बारे में जब मैं कहती हूँ कि 1.5 लाख परिवारों में कभी विद्युत का कनेक्शन ही नहीं था, ये आपको शायद अचंभित कर दे। इस क्षेत्र की जनता आज जब हमसे संबंध के आधार पर चर्चा करती है तो कहती है, दीदी अगर राहुल जी यहाँ पर सांसद होते तो कभी भी कोविड की वैक्सीन हर गरीब तक पहुँचती नहीं। अगर राहुल जी यहाँ पर सांसद होते तो कभी भी जनता को मुफ्त का राशन मिलता नहीं। लेकिन ये भी एक सत्य है कि श्री वाड्रा के खिलाफ कई केसेस वर्तमान में चल रहे हैं और वो केसेस ज़मीन हड़पने और जनता के पैसे लूटने के चल रहे हैं। उसको कितना भी चाहें अस्वीकार नहीं कर सकते।
All right, so Smriti Irani there, of course, hitting out at the Gandhis even as she filed her nomination. But remember, the Congress party is yet to announce their candidate from Amethi. There was a lot of speculation on who will be the candidate, whether it's going to be Rahul Gandhi or even Robert Vadra, as he himself was speaking with the media and saying that, the country wants him to fight from Amethi. Whether or not that happens, we'll have to see. But for now, BJP's Smriti Irani filing her nominations today. All right, those visuals from earlier today where Union Minister Smriti Irani filed her nomination papers. Of course, accompanying her were her husband, Zubin Irani, as well as Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. Back in 2019, Smriti Irani had defeated Rahul Gandhi in what was a massive setback for the Congress because Amethi was considered to be a Gandhi stronghold. And of course, we'll have to see who now the Congress projects from Amethi.